Yes. It's okay. It's just your radio. Santa can get you another one. Hello.
What's pantophobia? The fear of everything. That's it! Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. You need involvement. You need to get involved in some real Christmas project. How would you like to be the director of our Christmas play? Me? You want me to be the director of the Christmas play? Sure, Charlie Brown. We need a director. You need involvement. We've got a shepherd, musician, animals, everyone you need. We've even got a Christmas
Are you
queen.
happy?
I don't know anything about
Yes, happy, and you know it. Clap your hands.
I'll be there to help you. I'll meet you at the auditorium.
Happy, and you know it. Clap your hands.
About all this Christmas,
Happy, and you know it. Clap your hands.
That